Good afternoon. My name is Pramod, 8th semester CSE, and my topic is cocoons counting and classification based on image processing. Contents: Introduction, cocoon classification, cocoon counting, the flow of cocoon counting, the distance transform image, the outline of each cocoon, conclusion, references. Introduction. The quality of cocoon is very important to the quality of silk reeling, but the quality of cocoon is different due to the different varieties and rearing environment of silkworm. One cocoon can produce reeling of 600 to 800 meters in length. So the accurate counting of cocoon can evaluate the reeling length. According to the National Standard GBT 9111/2015, cocoons are divided into two types. One upper cocoon and another one is lower cocoon. Cocoon classification. The section mainly introduces the cocoon classification, the model based on improved AlexNet network. Extract cocoon features more fully. We use the following method to improve and optimize the AlexNet network model. Some scholars have found that LRN means local response normalization, has limited ability to improve the network generalization. Therefore, in this study, BN batch normalization method is used to replace LRN in the convolution layers, convolution 1 and convolution 2 in the original AlexNet network. So you can see the cocoons. So the cocoon counting has nothing to do with the category of cocoon. So it is not necessary to classify cocoon in counting. The presence of silk between cocoon will cause adhesion and bringing trouble to counting. Therefore, it is necessary to eliminate the trouble caused by the mutual adhesion. So you can see the flow of cocoon counting. First, we are taking the input picture of the cocoon and then bilateral filtering, k-means segmentation, distance transformation, morphological operation, find the outline, traverse the outline, and finally count the number of cocoons. So you can see the distance transform image. In that image, by observing the image, it can be found that the whole cocoon has been separated and only a few cocoons still have adhesion. Therefore, using morphological operation on the image of distance transformation, we can get the completely separated images. So you can see the outline of each cocoon. In that outline of each cocoon, the cocoon outline is searched and the connected region analysis is carried out. The noise counter is filtered out by setting the area threshold. The number of remaining connected region is the number of cocoon. So finally, the conclusion in terms of research on cocoon counting, this uses k-means method to segment the images, which can effectively avoid the influence caused by uneven light. Distance transformation can separate the adhered cocoon, which is convenient for counting. It can be found that although the computational complexity of k-means method increases, the accuracy rate increases under the condition that the detection speed should not be affected. This method is used superior to the common morphological counting method. So references: Liu Motion study of classification algorithm for montage cocoons based on machine vision and convolution neural network. Shandong Agriculture University 2019. Thank you.